So, are you one of those people who challenges anyone not wearing a mask in public? The CDC wants you to knock it off. They've put out new guidelines following a number of violent altercations over masks. Senior health correspondent Monica Robbins explains this.
You've seen the videos, dozens of them all over social media, trying to use social pressure or humiliation to get people to wear masks. But guess what?
Shaming doesn't tend to work no matter what shaming's about.
The pandemic is on our collective last nerve, and yes, many are under a lot more stress and anxiety. And now some of the mask confrontations are getting violent and even deadly. In Michigan, the State Retailers Association is offering de-escalation seminars to help teach businesses tips. The CDC issued guidelines to limit workplace violence, especially for those who have to require employees and customers mask up. So why do some feel the need to be mask vigilantes one way or another?
Because you can't control this, you start to try to control the things you feel like you can control.
Add the economy, job loss, and fear of the unknown, and it's no wonder.
People are really getting irritable, stressed, frustrated. And the biggest problem with the pandemic versus any type of a normal crisis, there's not an end in sight.
The CDC recommends being as transparent as possible about requirements, but arguing and forcing someone to follow guidelines, even if it's a state mandate, could be a recipe for something worse than the virus.
Just anything you can do to try to lighten the mood a little bit, I feel, helps. Either side's yelling at each other. We can see that doesn't work.
Monica Robbins, 3 News.